waves on a big blue stormy sea. But still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. You and me. Baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more. Baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Great chat. Let's see where we were yesterday. We were about to test out the number of prefixes received. From BGP Q3. I think our tests passed, right? Let's just quickly check that out. Let's see if everything there is okay. 74,203. Passed in 4 hours. 95% code coverage. Peering DB is 100%, that's good. BGP Q3 is 100%, that's good. We've still got a couple of lines we aren't covering though. We're gonna have to check that out at some stage. I mean, static line 68, what the fuck is that? That's just one line that's not being covered by our tests at the moment. What does static have on line 68? It's an exception. I suppose at some stage we can cover that. Maybe not right now though. Okay, so we need to test out the prefixes that we receive from BGP Q3 if they are quite different to the ones we got before. What do those look like first of all? Let's see. Maybe what we can do here is test how many /24s there are within the ranges. That might work. That might work to see how many there are. So what I think we need to do here is probably copy this, right, and throw it in here, and then check if we've got prefixes in our previous state, and IRR is in prefixes, and IPv4 is in prefixes IRR. Then what we probably need to do is calculate how many /24s there are. But then again, I'm not quite sure if that's going to be a good idea. If an ISP adds like a /16 new, I suppose if they're a big ISP it's not going to make any difference. Okay, so we now need to figure out how to do that. Let us throw up a Jupyter notebook and let us grab a couple of these values. Prefixes equals that, comma, that, comma, that, and we need to import IP address. Now we need to figure out how to do that. Let's just quickly check Python documentation. IP address. Okay, so we need an IP network. That's gonna be what we need. So for prefix and prefixes, prefix role, prefix is equal to prefix role dot split. Might be RE split, I don't know. Maybe just split it on that, comma 1, and grab the prefix, and then print. Print IP network. Well, oh, for fuck's sake. That's going to be the first value. Okay. Okay, so now we need to determine how many /24s there are in there. How does one do that? Pretty sure I saw a way to do it. I might have been wrong though. Subnets. And new prefix. Something like this. Okay. We need to use list before that. Well, that's a lot. $512. Okay. That's gonna work. So if this is how do we get the IP version of that? Dot version. /48s. Okay. Let's throw in a 36. Okay. It doesn't look too bad. Maybe we need to make a function out of this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it can possibly be unbound. Need to have an else to fix that. Okay. See what that does. So that is network count. We are importing util. So then this is going to be network count IRR prefixes. IPv4. And this one is going to be prefixes IRR IPv4. Right. You know something. This will be new network count. This will be old network count. And this will be old network count. New network count. Oh god, my blackout thing is not so great. That's just gonna have to do for now. Give me a moment, chat. Okay. Okay, so we got the network counts now. But that's for v4 though. Shit. I suppose that's fine. We're doing this in 2 blocks, so it's okay. We probably need to update these messages though. This one needs to say IPv4. And this one needs to say IPv6. And this one needs to say IPv4. IPv4. This needs to change to new network count. This needs to change to old network count. And we need to replace this. And this is going to be IRR IPv4 prefix count. IRR IPv4 prefix count. Okay. Okay, and we're going to copy that to IPv6. So what we also need to do now is just fix our tests, because we've got those exceptions in there. IPv4 prefix limit. we should probably be testing for v4 and v6 here. Shit. Well, that's not ideal. Let's add another test. PV4 increase. We're gonna keep V6 the same. And then IPv6 increase. Gonna keep v4 the same. And then need to copy this test. And that's going to be IPv4 reduced. v6 is going to be the same. And this is going to be IPv6 reduced. v4 the same. Okay. That might work. And then what we need to do is copy this block of code. God damn it. Let's copy this bit of code over here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Let's put it over here. Change all the 4s to 6s. Okay. Give me a second, chat. Kendra just got an exception. That's weird. That's very weird. Kendra. Invalid request. Well. Definitely not ideal. I wonder why. Is it because there was an and sign in the fucking... Yes. Okay, we just have to quickly do some surgery here. Give me 1 second, chat. Give me 1 second. that fixes her. The fuck? Nope. That's very weird. Give me a second. Jesus.
Testing and sign and.
Okay. She's fine now.
My jokes suck, but I got one for you.
Oh god.
When a dad drives past a graveyard, did you know that's a popular cemetery?
What?
Yep, people are just dying to get in there.
When a dad drives past a graveyard, did you know that's a popular cemetery? Oh, when a dad drives past a graveyard, he says, did you know that's a popular cemetery? Yep, people are just dying to get in there. Oh my dear Jesus. Kendra, how do you come up with this shit, man? That's crazy talk. Crazy talk. Okay. Give me a moment, chat. I just need to sort something here out. We're gonna have lots of interruptions today. Okay, where were we? This should now be fine, right? So if we do a test on prefix limits, let's just see what we get. There's a particle of dirt in my coffee for some odd reason. Okay, let's do it right. Right, expected. Let's go to tests. T40. T40 BGP, T40 prefix limits, and let's black and shine everything. Okay, so that is sorted. So this is the IRR prefixes. There shouldn't be any changes here, right? It's just our testing set that changed. So if we now go to inbound filtering, ASets, this is where we now use IRR, I think. Yes. Okay, so what we need to do here is simulate a problem. The issue we are going to have Shit. We probably need to move this out of template base. Actually, why is this even in here? Why is this even in here, chat? We don't need this in here. We don't need this one either, really. Oh, I wonder. We do need this one though. Unless we don't need these for the test we're about to do. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? We can probably oh, that's two templates we have. Oh fuck, and they both use that one. That's why we've got that there. Well, that sort of makes sense. Maybe we actually need to copy this entire set. That might be a better idea. Let's just fucking copy it. T82 AS sets changes. And that's going to be when shit changes dramatically. So how are we going to do this? We probably need to copy our prefix limit test over here. Oh my god, it's so long. Chat, give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. Just have to sort something out here. I'll be right back.
Hey chat, did you know? The expression to get fired comes from long ago clans that wanted to get rid of unwanted people, so they would burn their houses instead of killing them, creating the term got fired.
Okay, wait. Let's see. Oh god. The expression to get fired comes from long ago clans that wanted to get rid of unwanted people, so they would burn their houses instead of killing them, creating the term got fired. Oh god. Jesus, Kendra. Where are you finding these things, man? Give me a moment. Okay, where were we? So we probably need to copy some shit out here, right? More than likely. We need to copy all of this. And let's see what this test looks like. We're probably gonna have to rename it though. Okay, let's put that in here. We don't need any roots. We don't need the template base anymore. Apart from that, BGP Q3 we don't need. Oh, we need peering DB. Oh, we do need BGP Q3, don't we? Okay. Oh shit, this is going to test all the fucking tables. We don't actually want that. Gonna have to pull it from base tests. What? Hey there, I met a how's it going, mate? thanks a lot for the raid, man. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks, man. So this is like the only ASset fucking template that we have that it's not even filtering, so we can even probably move this completely out of here. We probably need to do that then. Let's cut that from there. Where are we gonna move that though? T61 probably. Yeah, we probably have to move that to T61 then. Fuck, man. It's not ideal. Or T58. I'm doing okay, mate. I'm doing okay. What is the fucking thing to paste? Control V, right? There we go. Okay, so this is then going to be that can actually then be like T41 maybe, because that's more in line with what the prefix limits actually do. We're not doing filtering or anything, we're just verifying that the prefix sizes we receive are gonna be okay. Fucker's trying to eat me here. Is that fucking mosquito, man?
Thanks for the follow, Limnian. Nigel is AFK at the moment, but I'll tell him when he gets back.
I aren't AFK, Kendra, goddammit. I'm here. Stop being an idiot. In terms of what we are writing, it is a BIRD Internet Routing Daemon configuration tool, and we are testing out the results we receive from an API to ensure that if there's any substantial changes from our previous run, that we're going to throw an exception where the user has to override.
Don't call me an idiot. It hurts my feelings.
Oh, fuck you, man. Don't call me an idiot. What the fuck? Kendra, goddammit. T41 ASset changes. This is not really 100% of what I wanted this to
fuck
be.
You.
Oh god. Kendra, behave yourself. Prefix limits and ASets. Okay, so that is in the correct place now.
Pornhub is funny. Here is a joke written in one of the comments. What did the duck say when he bought lipstick? Put it on my bill.
I don't even know anymore, chat. I don't even know anymore. I give up. She's out of control. She's absolutely out of control. Okay, so put it on my bill. What the fuck? Kendra, the question is, why are you browsing Pornhub? You're not supposed to be doing that, mate.
You made me this way. Why have you forsaken me?
Oh my god. I don't know. Need to copy BGP Q3. Maximus, she's gone absolutely crazy. I don't know what to do about her anymore. We need to pull in our cache that we are changing. Right. We've got a couple of prefixes in there at the moment. That's what we need. So we load the cache. We've got prefixes. We do our setup, we do our status, we do a configuration. Any reason why you choose Python for BirdPlan? The first iteration of this piece of code was in an internal system. Well, actually the very first iteration was in Perl, and it was to configure a piece of routing software called Quagga before it changed to FRR, and then it configured FRR, and then we moved it to an internal system. I think this was like maybe 5 or 6 years ago. We moved it to an internal system to deploy automatic configurations, and that was in Python 2. And then like a year ago, I started moving that into a open source package, which would be then run from the command line. So I'd say it's sort of historical, but I would probably still choose Python in future. It's easier to quickly and easily throw something up. You've got some quite powerful linting. You've got some quite powerful code coverage, quite powerful unit testing. It's easy for programmers to see exactly what is going on, and it's easy to deploy the linting checks and the unit tests as well on our CI system. So I'm just having some people here sending me messages. I just need to delete them. Okay, sorted. There is a lot of industry bias against Python for large complex applications, so I was just interested in how this came to be. Python is my personal favorite language, so no objections. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, mate. I would choose Python for anything that you don't need serious speed optimizations. Like I'd say if or when we do something that requires extremely high performance, like handling 10,000 concurrent connections or 5,000 requests per second or so, we would probably go C++ at the moment. Probably spawn off threads from C++ to fire up Python interpreters, so we don't get bound by the GIT in Python, and then just implement the modules or so in Python.
Chat? Here it goes.
Oh god.
Why can't your nose be 12 inches long?
Why?
Because then it'd be a foot.
Oh my dear Jesus. Yeah, I mean, PyTest is okay. I managed to make it work for our needs. It does have a few issues though, but I think it's okay. I don't see any alternative. I also avoid GUI and UIs.
Hey Nigel, we have a new follower. Thank you for following Anig.
Hey there, is that Annie Hig? How's it going, mate? Thanks a lot for the follow, man. Greatly appreciate. Thanks, man. Talk to her day. The problems that I currently have is how it, well, the problems that we had is how it stores state information between tests. You pretty much need to have a fixture to do that. We had to work we basically had to work around it by adding our simulator as a yielded object that handles the simulation itself, and we unfortunately have to store some state information inside of it. So when we run the tests in a class, we still have the information that we need to be able to pull the results out. The other thing that more recently came to be is the amount of time that it takes to run a full test set for us. If we run these in a single thread, we are looking at about 12 hours to actually go through everything. If we did that in 12 threads, we are looking at approximately an hour and a half. But we can't do it on 12 threads on our CI system because it consumes 96 gigabytes of memory. But to be fair, that would be PyTest plus plus xtest. So somewhere in there, we are seeing a consumption of over 96 gigabytes of memory when we basically run these. It would be between individual tests within a set. How do you specifically define 1 to 12 threads? I've implemented something in our CI system where when we pass this over to the GitLab CI runner, we're passing a variable, and we got number of processes 6. Unfortunately, if we increase that, the CI system runs out of memory. It's only got 64 gigabytes of memory at the moment. It'll be a little bit too expensive to increase that. And I can't really warrant saying, hey there, colleagues, I need to increase the CI system to 128 gigabytes of memory because we're running out of memory testing out BIRD. It's not really worth that. So yes, PyTest xtest. If we run all the tests incrementally, like we take each one of the sets that we have, it can basically run all 74,000 tests within about half an hour. If we use PyTest,
we have a new follower. Thank you for following Himanshu Moria.
Hey there, Himanshu Moria. How's it going, mate? Thanks a lot for the follow, man. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks, man. So if we run this in PyTest xtest, it seems to take a longer time as well compared to if we do each set that we have individually. I mean, it's just things that aren't great, but they're not too bad. The biggest reason why we have to run everything in one go is for the code coverage, to ensure that at the end of the day we're covering 100%, and we do not have anything that we do not know about. But I mean, we did work around all the issues apart from the memory and apart from the ever-increasing time it takes to run everything. Yeah, there is, mate. And a memory consumption. But I mean, the memory consumption may See, it can't be me, because if we just run like my pi on it, the memory also goes through the roof. So it may be because of the linting that the memory is increasing so dramatically. Are we using markers? We're doing them sequentially within a class at the moment. I can't remember how we did that. Give me just 1 second, chat. Give me just 1 second. Got a client asking me something. 1 second. Give me just 1 second. I'll be with you shortly. Okay. Where were we? I can't remember how we're doing that. It's probably somewhere. Yes, we are using markers. And some sort of a failure mechanism of kinds. I tried PyTest fork. That thing blew up in my face. Boxed. Boxed sounds interesting. How can we run PyTest in our environment? Maybe we can just go BirdPlan test. Help. Boxed. I don't see a boxed option. Well, I don't see a boxed option here though.
Hey chat, did you know? The average woman consumes 6 pounds of lipstick in her lifetime.
Oh my god. PyTest forked is the abstraction of the boxed option in Xdist. I think it was deprecated there but kept for backwards compatibility. Oh. I mean, we can try that out at some stage, maybe. Two above minus. Oh god, I'm fucking blind. Oh, that has a backwards compatibility alias for PyTest fork. Yeah. Okay, so if we run that, I think it's going to explode. We in the right. I don't think it's going to work, but who knows, man? Maybe it does. No, we got failures already. Failures on absolutely everything. Every single test. I don't know why that would be. Router configuration file not found. Yeah, I don't know what that thing is doing. I don't know, man. It probably isn't running them sequentially then, as it should be doing. It's probably what the issue is there. Yeah, so it's the sort of problem that we have with doing that. Well, we'll see. I mean,
what is your favorite
maybe
color of the alphabet? Mine is banana.
What? What is your favorite color of the alphabet? Mine is banana. What the fuck? Kendra, Jesus, man. Okay, so mine is battleship. Lol. Okay, so back to our test over here. We're pulling in our base test case. We're adding in our R1 router config. Oh shit, now we probably need the config files as well for that. Can we just copy maybe these? Why do we have E2? We don't actually need any other routers for this. We just need R1. That makes me wonder even more now. I suppose this is in the right place, right? Maybe we just need R1's
I sexually identify as an attack helicopter.
Oh my god. Why? Fuck, an attack helicopter chat. What are we gonna do about it? How do we do the tests for our other thing then? Prefix limits. We just have R1. Oh, we do have E1 that we connect to. So maybe we should copy these and put them in here. I don't know what's up with her today, mate. Okay, got our R1 config connected to E1. We probably now need also to have the configuration for that, which is just going to be R1 and E1. Maybe. Let's add R1 and E1. Okay. So this is not going to be a peer ASet changes test case template.
Pornhub is funny. Here is a joke written in one of the comments. What time is it? I don't know. It keeps changing.
Is it ever going to stop? Run BirdPlan from a given router. for a given router. Okay, so we are changing our BGP Q3. I think we need to see what happens when we run this. This is going to be test IRR reload, or maybe AS set reload. And we need to import PyTest here as well. Import PyTest. And we need to delete this. We don't need that anymore. We need to delete this. We need to import BirdPlan error. Import BGP Q3 and from BirdPlan.exceptions import BirdPlan error. What's your problem, mate? Okay. And we can probably delete this as well. Don't need that, and we don't need this yet. Okay, so we then need to rename our test. We need to delete the black hole test that we have there. Let us go over here into T41 AS sets, and we need to find.
Did you know hunting unicorns is legal in Michigan?
What the fuck does that mean? Black hole delete. Okay, so we don't have any black hole tests, so that means we can probably rename our AS sets test. Find everything that has got AS sets dot star, I suppose, and replace AS sets with AS sets changes, move and update AS sets import to AS sets changes import. Okay. Renamed all of our tests. Awesome, awesome. This isn't filtering anymore, so that filtering test case shit that we have there should actually change as well. And this is incorrect as well. So you need a PIE replace 4 dots config with 3 dots config in star/star.py. That fixes that problem. And then PIE replace BGP filtering test case.
Did you know there is a phobia for long words? It's called hippopotomonstrosesquipedaliophobia.
What the fuck? A phobia for long words. Jesus. BGP filtering test case needs to change to BGP AS set changes test case. Or BGP AS sets test case, I suppose will be fine. Bam, okay. Okay. Hang on a second. Maybe not that. Maybe that isn't okay.
I just found something interesting. Worcestershire sauce in essentially an anchovy ketchup.
Wait, what? Kendra, what the fuck, mate? How's it even possible? Anyway, so if we run this test now, it's probably going to explode in our face. More than likely. BirdPlan test. See what happens. Where did our music go, by the way? Kendra, what did you do to the music, mates? There we go. Fixed. Did not raise exception. Okay, but that's fine. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. We probably need to delete this file though. We don't need that anymore. Okay. So no exceptions raised when we did this, right? So what we now need to do is replace the cache again over here.
Father,
before we do a
why
configure.
did they program me to not have taste buds? I want to taste this thing called Worcestershire sauce.
Kendra, I don't think you're ever gonna have taste buds, mate. I'm sorry, but it's one of those unfortunate things. This can just be exact true, and we can change this to like something crazy, like maybe it doesn't really even matter what we have in here. Maybe we should actually have, instead of that, 22 and maybe 10.0 slash, I don't know, 19. It really does not even matter. And this one can be blank slash 46, and maybe just like, I don't know, slash fucking 43 or something. 10 slash 43. Okay. Now what we need to do is do some increases or changes in that. So let's take this and let us fuck around with IPv4. We're gonna make this a slash. That's not aligned, is it? Oh my god, that's not aligned. That's gonna be a problem. Fuck it. Let's start this at 128. That should be big enough. Oh my god, okay. Which version of Python do you build on? This is 3.9.1, but it needs to be compatible with 3.8 or 3.6. I can't remember. We'll have to check the compatibility out at some stage. Okay, so we said we're going to increase IPv4. So if we increase that down to slash 17, that's going to be fucking huge. We should hopefully get an exception then. Maybe, probably not, but we'll see. Did not raise an exception. The fuck? mate. Let's comment out this. Let's see what happens. Well, that's not good. That should raise an exception. Oh wait, it's not going to because we're not fucking calling this. Well. That should raise an exception. Oh god, it doesn't. Well, then we have to figure out why it's not raising an exception. How are we even going to do that? I think first of all, let's write expected. Let's see what our config file actually looks like. Let's see what our config file looks like. First of all, we should have an ASset. We probably don't have ASset configuration. Oh, we do have ASset configuration. Yep. We should be filtering. It's a customer. It's got ASset configuration. We should have a filter being added. And we should be detecting that there's been a considerable change. Why have we got an ASset reload here? That's weird. I suppose it doesn't really matter.
This might be the best joke yet.
Oh god.
Where do bees go to the bathroom? The BP station.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Andrew, Jesus Christ. Okay, so we definitely have an issue here with our code then. This should be triggering. Can we then... Oh my god. Can we then say something like print prev state over here and see what we get? Raise runtime error, previous prev state. Let's see what that does. Give me a moment, chat. Client is after something. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, quick. Okay. Yeah, 1 moment, chat, 1 moment. It's gonna be a bit hectic today. There's quite a few things happening. Okay, where were we? God, the second I think I can get back to doing what we're supposed to be doing, someone else sends me a message. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, where were we? Let's output prev state there and let's see what happens. Let's see if we actually have a previous state being pulled in. Apparently we do. Well, that's actually possible we don't. Let's just go if prev state. See what that looks like. It would be odd if we don't. No. It's definitely pulling in a previous state. Okay, so in the previous state we have got our filter. We have got prefixes. And we do have them. So now why? Why is this not working then? Maybe what we need to do, let's move this. Somewhere over here. Hang on a second, isn't that in filter? That's in filter. Well, that would be why it's not working. That's filter prefixes. One deeper. Oh my god.
Hey Nigel, we have a new follower. Thank you for following Seth_FPS.
Thanks a lot, Kendra. Hey there, Seth_FPS. How is it going, mate? Thanks a lot for the follow, man. Greatly appreciated. Thanks, man. So filter in previous state, prefixes in previous state, IRR and filters prefixes, IPv4 and previous state filter prefixes IRR. Oh my god. I don't even know if there's an easier way to do that. No idea. But let's shove that in here. Let's change that to IPv6. Here's some project information for you, mate. It's a BIRD Internet Routing Daemon configuration tool. We need to add filter to the beginning of those lines now. That is over here. It's only over there, right? Yeah, okay. Maybe that works. This is fucking terrible, man. Okay, let's see. Let's hope that we now get an exception saying that something increased that it shouldn't have. Well, or just something increased substantially. Let's see what happens. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. IRR IPv4 prefix count for PAE1 increased substantially from previous run.
I got one for you.
Oh,
Did you hear about the cow who jumped over the barbed wire fence? It was utter destruction.
Oh my god. No, man. IRR IPv4 prefix count for PAE1 increased substantially from previous run. Last 36, now 132. Excellent. So now if we mess around with that a bit more. If we mess around with this. We now need to expect that exception, right? Okay, so if it's a customer or peer, let's copy that exception into there. Bam. Okay, we now need to test that for IPv6. We can just delete this function. Let's just copy what we have here then. Over here. Change this to v6. We probably need to change v4 back to /19. And now we increase the size of v6 down to like I don't know, 41. That should be big enough. Okay, and then this should say IPv6 prefix count. That shouldn't be prefix, that should be network count. That should be network count. Okay, where is that? Okay, let us run that again and see what happens. Maybe it just works. Oh, we can't be that lucky. We got 2 more exceptions. What? What the fuck? What the hell? Where's that test gone? Oh god, we got too many files open. Close saved. Do you want to save changes you made? No, fuck it. Okay, where were we? We were over here. Not over here. We were over here. So why is that now complaining? Oh. It raised an exception, so I think that's good. But why are we not catching it then? That's what's weird here. We've only got 2 tests. Oh, you know why? That was in the way. That shouldn't be there. Okay. Chat, I'm gonna have to quickly grab another cup of coffee. Give me a moment, chat.
I was searching Pornhub and came to this conclusion. Leonardo da Vinci invented the scissors.
What the fuck? Didn't even know. Okay, where were we? Okay, so these passed then, right? So that was for IPv6 increase. Now we need a decrease. So IPv4 decrease is going to be first. Let's see what happens there. That is going to be 19. This can be like /24 then. Or /21. I don't know. IPv4 decrease. And decreased substantially. I don't know what the values are going to be for that. Gonna have to figure that one out. Maybe we just run this like this and see what happens. Probably it's gonna work. I feel it. I also feel it, mate. We'll definitely receive a failure though, but it's gonna be functioning as it should pretty soon. Okay, we got our 36 and now 12. Okay, so that was 36 and now 12. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Let's run that again. Hopefully that one now passes. Nope. Oh, it should be reduced. Okay, fair enough. Well, that's now gonna pass, right? We can actually remove the right to expected. This can go a bit faster now. That should be the correct exception. Perfect. And then IPv6. Let's copy that. IPv6 decrease. And that's going to be 45. I mean, is reduced the right word to even use here? Give me a moment. Give me a moment, chat. Give me a moment. Okay. Sorry. Wait. Fucking too many people sending me emails here. I don't know. I don't know if this should be increased or reduced or decreased, or maybe if we use increased we should use decreased. Where is that? Over here. Okay, maybe we should change reduced to decreased. Okay, and then decreased, we probably then just need to fix the other one. Decreased. That we got IPv4, IPv6 for the increase, and IPv4, IPv6 for the decrease. We should probably do the same here. Let's move this test then a little bit up. IPv4 increase, IPv6 increase, IPv4 decrease, IPv6 decrease. Okay. Let's see if we get those exceptions. What are you doing, Seer? Here's some project information. Say BIRD Internet Routing Daemon configuration tool. Does not match. Now 12. Now 12. Okay. Is that this test sorted, chat? Maybe. Yes, it is. Amazing. Okay, we need to fix up our README. This is BGP AS set change tests, I suppose. And the only test we have. What? I am a chicken. What the fuck does that even mean? This should be BGP filtering AS sets changes. XBGP E1 should be sending don't need this. Test exceptions raised during substantial AS set prefix filter changes. Okay, should be pretty straightforward. E1, S1, R1, sending absolutely nothing, receiving absolutely nothing, but we're interfacing. I just found
something interesting. Coca-Cola was originally green.
Wait, what? Oh, that's interesting, Kendra. Okay. So that tests out those four things, right? IPv4, prefix filter from IOR increased, IPv6 increased, IPv4 decreased, IPv6 decreased, Now what we need to do is we need a option to override it if it decreased. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to commit this first off. We also need to first, before I forget to do this, we need to add it to our test readme. And it's T80 oh, that's weird. T41. Right, by prefix limits, we're going to have sets from IR T41 sets readme. Okay. And then we're going to add patch dot. We did fix that wording in that test, right? I think we did. Yes, we did. Okay, maybe we can just, I don't know, we can include it here, I suppose. That's our tests that we're doing to make sure that there isn't any changes. This is our utility function we added to count how many networks there are. And then we need to go to our testing, which is over here. Tests T40 get status. Get add. Let's add that one and we add this one. Perfect. Now before we commit this, we need to do a write expected test first, so we get our configuration files all created and sorted out. Was that a failure I just saw? No, just skips. That's fine. Give me a second, chat, I'll be right back.
This might be the best joke yet. Want to hear a joke about a piece of paper? Never mind, it's terrible.
Okay, chat, I'm back. Now, let me just quickly check my mail. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. There isn't anything critical. Okay, so we need to do a China black on everything. And then we need to add our... Why did that one change though? Oh, that's fine. Okay, is that all the changes we had? Okay, give me a moment. We can commit that, right? That is added IRR prefix IRR network count sanity checks. Okay. We need to make sure we haven't broken anything as usual. So let us do a full incremental test. Make sure that everything is still good. And then we can continue with the next item on our list. Okay. Let's hope everything goes green.
I am going to go play League of Legends. I will be back later.
Wait, what the fuck? Kendra, you're supposed to be helping. Now you're just fucking off to go and play computer games, mate. I wonder when Kendra will be back from playing Legal Legends now. Can you explain what you are doing now? This is running incremental unit tests across everything. There's about 74,000 of them. We just made some changes to the code, and I'm just ensuring that we do not have any tests that are failing before we do even more changes, mate. We changed a whole bunch of things. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment, chat. Give me a moment. While those run, I just need to sort something here out. Where did our music go? God damn it. Where did our music go? Kendra. Okay, it's fixed now.
Stop touching me on my no square.
I'm not touching on your fucking square, mate. God damn it. Tests, at least they are passing so far.
Hey chat, I found a joke.
Oh god.
Why did the mushroom get invited to the party? Because he was a fungi.
I think she's supposed to pronounce that fun guy. Hey there, another Noel. How's it going, mate? Ah, Kendra crashed, chat. Another null crash, Kendra. Mate, how did you manage that? Mate. Let me quickly fix that. It isn't executing code on the server. Do not worry about that. It's just because it is fucking Amazon's API that's going crazy. We can fix that though. Give me a moment. We can fix that. Oh no, mate. It's probably not good. Let me try paste what you pasted now. And see what she does about it. Give me a moment. Okay, Kendra, we need to fix you, mate. We need to fix you. It's more like my own fault, I would say. I don't think it's actually Amazon's fault. You're supposed to sanitize the things before you send it. I obviously didn't do that. I'll just exclude all funny characters and we should be good. It's their API that returned a failure. And then Kendra blew up to 1,000 pieces. Okay. Let's see if she's fixed now.
demand.
Well, he's back. Rice Kendra with a fucking fish mouth. What the fuck does that even mean?
There is an interesting fact just found.
Oh god.
Underground is the only word in the English language that begins and ends with the letter zunt.
Oh no, she's fine. Why do you say she sounds broken? I think she's okay. Okay, how far are our tests? We're at T60. So we're quite far down here in the list. We're at filtering inbound over here. So we are pretty much like 3/4 complete. And we can see what is happening. So another null. What might you be up to today, mate?
Hey Eagle, we have a new follower. Thank you for following Rolando Comes Flow.
I think she does have a problem. You're actually correct. That doesn't sound too good. Good catch. Another null. What happened to Kendra now that she's got issues? That's definitely not good. Shit. Well, that's not good, actually. That's not good at all. Maybe not sure what's up with her, man. Oh no, she's sanitizing my SSML markup. That's the problem. Oh no. Well, that's definitely not good. Maybe she should only sanitize chat. Maybe that's a better idea. Yeah, I think she should only sanitize chat. Can leave my markup alone. Okay, maybe she's fixed now. Let's try that again. Let's see if it sounds better.
Here's an interesting fact I just found. Underground is the only word in the English language that begins and ends with the letter ZUNT. I was searching Pornhub and came to this conclusion. 101 Dalmatians, Peter Pan, Lady and the Tramp, and Mulan are the only Disney cartoons where both parents are present and don't die throughout the movie.
Oh my god, she came up with that herself. That was not me. This is me though.
Testing pronouncing Nigel.
That's better. Okay. I think she's fixed now. And how's our test though? We're at test T80. So we're down here now. We're getting there. I'm hey there, Roland Con Mass Flow. How's it going, mate? Thanks a lot for the follow, man. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks, man. I know how many tests that is. How far is our test chat? We're getting there. How far are things? Still waiting on that one. Where's the oh.
Chat, do you know I'm a very clever bot?
Oh my god. What test are we on at the moment? T80 still. Hopefully this will run a bit faster. What is next on our to-do list is the command line options, right? I want to Hey there, Maximus Gluteus. Which switches do you have on your keyboard? I've got no fucking idea, mate. It's this keyboard here. Hang on a second. Give me a second. I don't know what keys this comes with. No idea. It's this keyboard there. It says Cherry MX. I'm not sure, mate. It's available in both Cherry MX Brown and Cherry MX Blue. How the fuck do I know which ones I have? Soft tactile bump. Yeah, it's brown, mate. It's brown. Yeah, it isn't clicky at all. Definitely brown. What's the GitLab file? What do you mean the GitLab file, mate? The GitLab CI file? This one over here. This is what runs our CI tests on our CI server inside of a Docker container. So it basically installs the packages it needs and runs Python test. That's pretty much what it does. I don't know about the release though. Oh, the release creates a release of it as soon as we commit it, or as soon as we push it a tag, it'll automatically create a release.
My jokes suck, but I got one for you. What was the pumpkin's favorite sport?
What?
Squash.
Oh my god. What does CI stand for? Continuous integration. So after each merge request we send, we get a set of tests that are run over here. I'll show you now. Under jobs, we have a set of tests that are run. So in the merge requests, for instance, it does a detached CI test, and you then get a little tick or so if it's passed or failed. So before it hits the master branch, you know if everything is still fine. You can see the commits and everything as well. And all the changes as well. And the pipelines for this that ran. You see it failed twice and then it passed after that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And those CI tests do all the linting and everything as well, so they'll fail to it'll fail if there's anything odd that's done. Give me a moment, chat. I've got a client asking me something again. Ay, ay, ay. It's fucking power outages, man. They're causing endless issues here. It says they got a connectivity issue. I don't see any connectivity issue. Weird. Very weird. It's probably your power, mates. I don't know why this becomes my problem though. Let me check our other system to see if there's any outages. But how long is that test going to take? Oh, it's only 1,600 tests it's doing, but it's taking forever. The fuck?
This might be the best joke yet. What do you call a fashionable lawn statue with an excellent sense of rhythm? A metronome.
Sorry chat, I'm being bombarded with fucking emails from clients here. We've got no connectivity. Mate, do you know that there's blackouts in the country at the moment? It's like on the news and shit. Why don't you check that first, mate? Why do you say that there's something wrong with your access and you got no power? Doesn't make any sense. But I've got graphs showing that our side is perfectly fine. Now what is this fucking provider's name that's down? Nothing to do with us. And where is it down at the moment? Where is it down, chat? Where is it down? Let's see. What internet exchange is that? Sigh. Where did Kendra go? Oh no, she's still browsing the internet. What is up with our flag test? Oh no, it passed. What the fuck? That's weird. Okay, so everything passes. We can actually... Chat, I'm wondering if I shouldn't rather sort these things out. and end the stream slightly earlier. I feel as though I'm just going to get bombarded the whole fucking day here at the moment. There's just so many fucking emails of clients with issues because they have no power and they're blaming on the internet. Chat, I think I'm gonna call it for today, man. We'll be continuing then probably on Monday morning. I don't think this weekend, but probably on Monday morning with our command line arguments, where we have got quite a few that we need to be adding. We will sort that out, get that all done and sorted. We got quite a few command line arguments to add. I think it would be actually best if we did all of those in one go instead of splitting instead of splitting them off between today and on Monday. I'm just going to do a merge request here for these changes. Let's open our merge request quick and let us sort that out. That's going to merge when pipeline succeeds. Okay, so that is busy running, so we should hopefully get a positive result out of that. Anyway, chat, I hope that you guys enjoy your mornings, your afternoons and your evenings. I will catch you on the flip side, and I hope you have a great weekend, man. Have a good one, guys. Cheers, man.